ricordiamo di consultare le norme di sicurezza poste nella tasca della poltrona di fronte a voi. Grazie per l'attenzione.
We're putting a dream out.
I'm here because we're combining sailing with climbing, but at the moment we're talking about walking across a 25mm piece of cotton, which sounds a bit silly really.
We're trying to rig a highline in the middle of Sardinia, and it's been a year of planning, and here we are.
There to check this side, and if it's possible to go up there, and it would be awesome to rig the line to the big pinnacle from there.
We will do it.
We will see.
You need to believe.
Yeah, I believe.
You think it's more than that?
It's more than 4. So hard to count.
2 sideways and 1 on the wall, and back up, 1 on the sideways, 1 on the wall.
It's just, you know, that nothing really bad can happen. Then it's kind of, it gets easier if you go to the end, so you feel safer, or you feel at a certain stage or distance you kind of know that you're not going to fall, and then it's it can be then you want to go faster, but it's somehow then you start really to enjoying it, or for the first time, or then let go all the fear. After I had a leash fall, then it's kind of you feel safer because you know it's gonna hold.